Hello and welcome to GUI.dog. Oh yes, so what are we doing today? MCP. So yes, we're going to add an MCP to our VS Code, and it took me a while to work this one out, but if you could press Ctrl Shift P on Linux, then and go to MCP Open User Configuration, which is already open here, MCP, and you add this right here. So now the MCP I want to add is the BMAD method. So I've changed this, and I'll link in the description where I got this from, so how I got to this and why I'm doing it. But what it's supposed to do is supposed to allow me to query the BMAD method if I'm confused about what the next stage is, and I do that like I did it here, for instance. Here we are. I asked it where is it getting the explanation for the BMAD method, and it's saying it's coming from the MCP itself. So because it's a bit complicated, the BMAD method, then you know, it's good to be able to ask questions. So yeah, if you want inference, like computing power, and you don't want to pay the Open GPT and Anthropic minimum $20 a month, you can go to the Fastlane Business Forum, and for just $9 a month, and you will have unlimited inference. There is a fair use policy in place, and it's first come first serve. But if you want to save money on inference and use new technology and get yourself using AI, then go to Fastlane Business Forum, and you will see the link in the description.